peeps! We are at Universal Studios Hollywood. Funny enough, we are here for the start of Butterbeer season. Coincidentally, we did not plan that, but we are going to try some fun Butterbeer dishes today. And most of all, we're going to show you how to maximize your day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We want to maximize the fun and have a great day, and we want to bring you along with us. Let's do it. As I head into the park, one thing I want to mention. I purchased the Universal Express Pass and the Super Nintendo Early Access Pass so that I could, like I said, so that I could maximize my fun today. And just like that, in the park, I am so excited to be here. I can't even begin to tell you. I haven't been back here since Halloween Horror Nights, which was, I don't know, at this point, about a year and a half ago, I came with Edutainment. So glad to be back here. I love this park. I love how unique it is with the terrain on the side of this mountain. Let's go enjoy our day. So I came into the merch store just to look around, see what's unique to this location. And look at this. I mean, I'm sure this isn't new. I know it's not. But the Nope shirts featuring Jupiter's Claim, I love this design. In fact, I actually love this hoodie. I wish it was a full zip, but this is a sweet looking hoodie. Look how cute King Kong is with your little tram, your little studio tram that he's about to throw off the cliff. That's him throwing it off the cliff. They also have a ton of Chucky stuff here, which is pretty cool, year-round. I am here in early March, so sadly, Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift is not open yet. Hopefully we'll see it testing today, but this is awesome looking. I love this building. And look, there's the roller coaster there. Welcome to Springfield, home of Phineas Q. Butterfat's Ice Cream Parlor. First up, heading to the lower lot, because like I said, I got early access, so the only thing open right now to really do is Super Nintendo World. So, heading down the world's longest escalator. But look at the Fast and Furious ride. Whoa, how cool. How awesome is that coaster? Goes all the way out there. I look forward to coming back and riding this coaster. And the best part about Universal Studios Hollywood, the views. Like I mentioned, got early access ticket to Super Nintendo World, so that is going to be the first stop. Let's head into the warp tunnel. Whoa, now having been to Epic Universe, that warp tunnel feels super short and doesn't have an escalator. And here it is. Super Nintendo World. Toad's taking pictures. And over there, you've got more pictures. How fun. Just took a picture with Toad, and look who's coming out now. Princess Peach. These are character meetings that I actually didn't get to do at Epic Universe, so I'm excited to be doing them here. Woo! Whoa. She talks. Her mouth moves. Now, I am not a fan of Bowser's Challenge, the Mario Kart ride, but if you do the early entry, it is only a 10-minute wait, and that ride typically gets very crowded. Stopping for a quick snack at Toadstool Cafe. So I stopped in Toadstool Cafe just for a little treat. We've actually done Toadstool Cafe at Epic Universe. I'll link that in the end of this video so you can check that out. But I just wanted a few treats today that I haven't tried before. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the Superstar Lemon Squash, which is a honey lemon soda with mango stars and assorted tropical bobas. The bobas themselves are actually little stars, which is super fun. It's actually really tasty. You get the honey, you get the lemon. It's kind of like if you took like a Sprite. I didn't get any of the bobas in the straw. Okay, I forgot that I don't like bobas because the consistency, like how it just like shoots up in the straw. Don't love that. But they are super tasty. They're like fruity, almost like pineapple. In fact, they kind of taste like pineapple. This drink is actually really good. I dig this one a lot. I also got the Princess Peach Cupcake, which is a raspberry-filled funfetti cake with buttercream frosting and a Princess Peach chocolate crown. Oh, it's getting dark. Things are going awry in the Mushroom Kingdom. But while Bowser attacks, I'm going to try this cupcake. So I wanted to make sure I got some raspberry, some cake, some frosting, a little bit of everything. This is a yummy cupcake. I like the frosting. The raspberry is actually probably my least favorite part of it, but there's not a ton of it anyway, so I could technically get around it if I didn't like it, but it's not bad. But the rest of the cupcake, super yummy. And this is what's happening inside while I sample my cupcakes. You think things have gone dark? Bowser's storming the area, and the main gates have opened, so you can see now people are flooding in, like almost running to be the first to ride Mario Kart while the wait is still low. And now it's 25 minutes at exactly 10 o'clock. So that's what early access gets you. Much shorter wait times on Bowser's Challenge and some character meet and greets even before the gates open. Oh snap! Look who's coming. You can't see it, but I'm bouncing. I'm like Toad. I'm bouncing with excitement because Mario and Luigi are here. Mario's been on a diet. Oh my god, I just realized their mouth's open. I never knew that. I honestly didn't know these characters like talked and had moving mouths. That's crazy. Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you, Mario. Nice to meet you, Luigi. Oh, sorry.
Let's take a photo together.
Let's do it. Now that it's 10 o'clock, most of the rides are open. First up, Jurassic World.
In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
Hold all boats in safe zone.
So after escaping the Indominus Rex, I came to Isla Nubar to get a cocktail. The Tiki Thai is pineapple rum, dark rum, white rum, passion fruit puree, lime and pineapple juice, and orgeat. Cheers. That is super yummy. Especially, it's about 80 degrees today, so it's a little warm. This is a nice and tasty beverage. It's got the passion fruit in it. It's got the rum, so it's a sweet drink. It's very much like, I feel like I'm at like a resort vacation, sitting by the pool with my Raptor Tiki mug here. Yummy cocktail in my tummy. It's time to ride Revenge of the Mummy. I actually did not intend that to rhyme when I first started that sentence. Check this out. So I'm here before FanFest Nights, which starts later this year. In fact, I'll put the dates on the screen right now. But one of the things at FanFest Nights, one of the experiences is a Jurassic World experience. And check it out. You can see what they're setting up back here, these full-size dinosaurs. I don't know if this is where they're going to be or if they're just putting them back here, but they're going to have these giant dinosaurs for the experience. That is awesome. It's 11 o'clock and about to head up to the upper lot. Knocked out everything I wanted to on the lower lot, but stopping for another quick snack at the Jurassic Cafe, where I got some Dino Nuggets, which are Dino Nuggets, obviously. They come with French fries and broccoli. I mean, it's a Dino Nugget. It's okay. It's not that meaty, but, you know, it's $10, so... And it comes with fries and broccoli, which you know I'm not going to eat the broccoli. Next up, the Jurassic World water, which is gin, vodka, rum, tequila, raspberry liqueur, melon liqueur, blue curacao, grenadine, sweet and sour, and club soda. So basically, your entire liquor cabinet. Cheers. This is actually pretty good. It's got a strong raspberry flavor, and it's again, it's like like I mentioned with the drink earlier, like a fun sitting by the pool kind of drink. That's what it tastes like. Heading back into the upper lot, and I think I'm going to go straight ahead and do its studio tour now. Bart, out here in front of the Quickie Mart. Check this out. It's a studio car from the set of Back to the Future, a 1981 DeLorean DMC-12. Looks like here are some of the things that are filming here at Universal Studios Hollywood, which is an actual working studio. Access Hollywood, The Voice, Hacks, St. Denis Medical, and more. The Universal Studios tour is definitely one of the key reasons to come to Universal Studios Hollywood. It is a working movie studio, and you get behind-the-scenes views, and you get to see some classic sets and some great experiences as part of the tour.
This is our Metropolitan set, our largest set on the back lot. It's our city set. Has a lot of different little corners here, but this is St. Denis Medical. You see, this is a hospital front, right? So when they pull up with an ambulance, they walk into this building here, and then they start filming in stage 26. The interior of the hospital is there. Across the street here is our our brownstone apartments. This is where Mindy Lahiri lived in the Mindy Project. It's where Macaulay Culkin dropped bricks off the roof in Home Alone 2, Lost in New York, where Annie found her dog Sandy in the 1980s version of Annie, my personal fave. Directed by Steven Spielberg. Let's go to the beaches of Amity Island, shall we? Now, don't worry about the man-eating shark thing, okay? We caught a shark this morning. The water should be clear and free of predators. Just in case we have any issues, we do have a member of the police team here on site doing a dive, making sure things are safe for us. So stay seated, hold on to your stuff as we approach the water. We'll check in with our friend, Officer George. Oh. Okay, George, there's a shark out there. No, don't worry. George has been trained to take care of sharks like this. That's why he's out there. Officer George is the best and bravest officer on the entire force here at Amity. That is a... Oh, no. Officer George was the best and bravest officer on the force, and may he rest in peace. So sad. We do have a backup plan. We attach some bait to that yellow barrel. Let's see if we can catch the shark. Get justice for George. Whoa, okay, I don't think the fire was a part of the plan. Maybe we should get out of here before things get really dangerous. Oh no! But you know what? He's a bad man with a backstory. He had a really tough childhood, this guy. He had a really particular terrible mom. Wait. Is he listening to me? No, he doesn't like when you talk bad about his mom. We gotta go. Sorry, folks. Norman, I didn't mean it. Your mother's lovely. Everyone thinks so. Especially the third and fourth car back there. Oh, no, no, no. Ooh, so sorry, folks.
See the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show.
Just exited the studio tour and noticed this pathway here, which I think might be like the back entrance to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Whoa, it is. Who knew that was a thing? I didn't. I just discovered it today. We are in Hogsmeade, and it is time to sample some Butterbeer seasoned dishes. All right, let's kick things off with the OG, the original Butterbeer. Strong caramel butterscotch flavor, almost a little bit root beerish, but with stronger caramel flavor. Next up, heading into the Three Broomsticks to try the new exclusive Butterbeer dishes. Okay, so first up is the Butterbeer Waffle, which is an exclusive item to Butterbeer season. The Butterbeer Waffle is served with Butterbeer syrup, Butterbeer cream, a butter barrel, and fresh strawberries. Interesting. So I'll say the Butterbeer Waffle itself, all the Butterbeer flavor is really going to be in the other items. The waffle itself is very good, but it just kind of tastes like a waffle. But everything else on it is what adds the Butterbeer flavor to it. So if you like waffles, it's a pretty solid selection. The Butterbeer Cream Puff is a shortbread cookie butter filling topped with Butterbeer cream and Butterbeer sauce. All right, here's a bite of the cream puff. It's got the filling, it's got the puff, it's got the whipped cream on top. Got these little pearls. This is good. It's very rich. The butterbeer is almost like the cream. It almost like comes across like peanut butter almost. So it's a nice smooth consistency. The whipped cream's yummy. The puff pastry, good consistency. I like this one. I also got a butterbeer ice lolly. I let it sit out for a minute because I've been sampling other dishes. So let's see. Oh no. I don't love this. I think for me, one, I mean, it's got the crunchy shell, which like literally fell off when I bit into it. But the butterbeer flavor on this one, I don't know. This is just not my, oh, and it's dripping. It's just not my favorite. It's basically a caramel ice lolly, which if that's your jam, this is your jam. For me, not so much. It's drizzling on my hand. So let's move on to the next thing. Here are some more butterbeer goodies that they brought back for the season. Butterbeer flavored caramel filled barrels and this butterbeer flavored bar. There is also exclusive butterbeer season merchandise. However, they did not have it in the store I went into, but you can see it on the screen right now, and they said it should be available within the next few weeks. With a belly full of butterbeer, time to head towards Hogwarts, but first, stop at Flight of the Hippogriff. Just took a short little quick stop to buy some Universe Horror blind boxes and open them. That was a lot of fun. If you want to see that, check out our TikTok. We're Destination Geek HQ on TikTok, and you could see me unboxing the mystery boxes there and see what I got. Next up, heading towards Secret Life of Pets, which I have never ridden in all my times being here. So looking forward to riding it for the first time. Walking by Super Silly Funland, which is a lot of fun to bring your kids, especially if they like Minions. New Minions movie coming out. Oh, look at that Minion. He's got a flamethrower. Right here next to the Minion Cafe, they're out there meeting and greeting. Skipping out on Despicable Me Minion Mayhem today because I've ridden it like a million times. Heading into Secret Life of Pets off the leash. Just went through the Secret Life of Pets, and I gotta tell you, that ride is adorable. I loved it. It's sweet, it's fun, it's funny. It uses screens, but not a lot. Just a couple of screens throughout the ride. Lots of animatronics, just a perfect old school dark ride with some modern touches. They did a great job. I'm really glad I checked that one out today. Aw, Walking Dead, R.I.P. Alright peeps, that does it from us from Universal Studios Hollywood. I had a great day. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up on it. It lets us know that you want to see more Universal Studios Hollywood content. We'd love to keep showing you some of the cool things that they bring to the park. So if you want to see it, hit that thumbs up button. And while you're down there, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you are notified when we release that content. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.